Hi everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you're going to earn $10 for just 20 minutes of your time, and you're going to earn really fast PayPal money this way, okay? And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a real way to actually earn passive income instead of trading time for money, guys, okay? So stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you the first site that you can earn $10 for just 20 minutes of your time. This is called Try My UI, trymyui.com. They are a user testing site. So companies that have websites or apps that want other people to test, then they come to companies like this so that they can do the testing for them, okay? So if you are a tester, you want to get paid to test, you will go right here, and what's that going to do is that you can fill out this application and get set up. You see here, you're going to get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest opinion. They're going to basically provide you with a recorder, and what you're going to do is that you're going to record your screen and your voice as you are using the website or app. So they want to hear what you're doing as you're going through the test. So this is why they want you to do the recording. So you won't be recording your face or anything, just your screen and the voice and your voice. And they also provide you with the recorder, so you don't have to worry about that. There are also tests that are for written responses, and you just need to provide some short surveys that you can fill out regarding the test that you're doing. How many tests can I do? There's no limit on number of tests that you can do, but expect to get a few each week. Now, this is not going to be anything that's going to make you rich or anything like that. This is just really a side income to make some extra bucks, because it's a first come first serve. So once you sign up, they're going to send you the test on email, but it's whoever's first come first serve to respond to that email will get that test. So even though you get the test in your email, you may not get it every single time for that reason, okay? And how are you going to get paid? You're going to get paid pretty much right away, because once you finish a test, it goes through an approval process, and it's usually approved within 24 hours, and you get paid the following the same week. If your test is done earlier in the week, you could get paid that same week on Friday. But if you did the test closer to Friday, you may not get the cutoff and you'll get paid next Friday. But they do pay pretty quickly for people who have approved tests. Now, because you're not going to make big money with anything like this for this one site, I'm going to suggest another site that you can use. So you can sign up for a few of these and get yourself earning more this way. Then you have more chances of getting more tests in your inbox, and then you can respond to them. See, this one is called usertesting.com. You can even earn up to $60 per test here. And all you're doing the same thing, you just visit websites and visit apps for giving feedback to the website owners and app owners so that they can always improve on their product. And all you're doing is going through the tasks that they set out, and then you just tell them how you're doing it, if you like it, if you don't like it, and how it's working for you as you're going through the website, if it's easy to find things or whatnot. See here, it says you could get paid $10 for via PayPal every 20-minute video you complete. So this is pretty cool, right? But again, you're not going to make a ton of money here, because these things, the tests aren't always going to be available, okay? And you will need a computer and a internet connection, of course, and microphone, because you need to speak into the test. They also have their own testing softwares that they provide, and then you need to be 18 years old. You need to be able to speak in English very loudly and clearly so that they can approve your test and get your test approved and get paid, okay? If you don't give them a good testing result, meaning giving them valuable feedback on their app or their website, then it may not get approved, and then you're not going to get paid, and which is not good, right? So you want to make sure you do your tests very well and that you are always speaking your mind as you're going through your tests. And they just want to hear about how you're doing the test. And this is worldwide, as you can see. So you could just check out which country you're from and see if there's any tests in there. And here, you just sign up here really quickly, guys, okay? So those are the two user testing websites I was going to show you today. You could definitely find more on Google. You just search user testing and you're going to find a lot more different sites that you could sign up for. Now, that's the type of money that you can earn, but you're kind of going here and there and doing little tests. If this is the type of work you're looking for and you just want to earn some little bit of extra money, that's cool, and you can do the testing sites. But if you're a person that was looking for a little bit more money or a little bit more stable money, maybe even passive income where you can earn from the work that you do over and over again, then you should really check out that first link in my video description, and I'm going to give you the free video that you can see that will explain how I've been using this method to make passive income every single month, and I make a full-time income online, and you can do the same thing, but you just need to know the right path and the right techniques to use and learn these new techniques, and then you can get earning much bigger income online. Okay, guys? So check out that first link in my video description below. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and then I can answer them for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel so you can learn more different ways of how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.